Yeah, you know I am. I'm not gonna stop until they leave me alone. Good to see you, man. I appreciate the support, dude. I really do. Well, hey, I'm out here today, so you'll see the next video, man. Appreciate it, bro. You too.
Jupiter Bravo 31, Jupiter Bravo 32, 6579 in progress.
Jupiter Bravo 31.
19075 Du Bois Road, 19075 Du Bois at Du Bois Park. Service on the coast side of the park, there's a male walking with a Signal 0 rifle.
51.
Survey should do.
Jupiter Bravo 2048.
10-4-51. Start additional units. Bravo 12, you can put this on hold. 51.
Denver, he's not seen wearing a white shirt. He has a fishing pole in a hand. He's Hispanic male or black male with a rifle across his chest with loaded sidearms. And the caller no longer has a visual.
Bravo 20 back. Are you doing anything threatening with it or just fishing?
That's all the info we have so far.
I'll call back and get that information.
26. He was slim around 6 foot and unknown vehicle description.
26. First two units stage and 56 prior to entry.
Stating it's 54 on being violent or any Signal 81.
Bravo 41, 51.
1352.
Jupiter Bravo 31. 97 in staging.
1353. Jupiter Bravo 31. It's an update. He's possibly wearing khaki or green shorts.
10-4.
1353.
Jupiter Bravo 20. Checking the air for any unmarked vehicles.
Pepper units check area for any unmarked vehicles.
Motor 4, I get 51 from Maple.
Jupiter 311, 51.
1355. Jupiter Bravo 31. Responding unit, Signal 14. Reference the First Amendment auditor known as the Armed Fisherman. His name's Michael Taylor, also known as the Armed Fisherman. Usually strapped with an assault rifle. He's a Hispanic or black male light skin. That's just intel. Unknown at same subject.
26.
1355.
Bravo 20. For the responding units, I'm only going to need 3 units total and stage at the B entrance to the park.
And for our units, when you go to stage, advise your points.
Motor 4 to 20, you still want me to head that way?
Bravo 41. Definitely, we'll have you good, and then so you can get eyes and mark units will stay out in the stage.
All right, Jupiter. Jupiter Bravo 32 and 731 are at the entrance to Du Bois.
1357.
Traffic 2-3, I'm with them. Bravo 12, same service.
1357.
Jupiter Bravo 41.
Jupiter Bravo 41.
Myself, Bravo 31, 32, and the beach units will stage. The other units can go tonight. We'll keep down marks.
1357.
Jupiter Beach, real nice. Where do you guys want to meet up?
Jupiter Bravo 41, where do you want Jupiter Beach to?
We're on stage at the entrance to the park.
So, do you want to stop anybody else from coming in this park, or what?
Jupiter Bravo 31, Signal 14. The caller called back, wants to update the 1020 to buy the inlet. And he also stated he saw on Google Maps Aloha Surfing School, which is near the inlet and jetty.
Right, Jupiter Beach 2. Do you want me to shut this park down? I can lock the gate.
Jupiter Bravo 20 negative. As of now, there's no alleged crimes. There's nothing illegal. We're going to monitor and confirm that.
Okay.
This 1020 has been updated to the inlet park.
41, 48.
1359.
Jupiter Bravo 32 to 41 or 20. Do you want myself in 31 to stay at Du Bois or 51 to the inlet?
You go ahead and 51 over to entrance at Du Bois, and the other units get 23 here at Du Bois. Go to the inlet, and the other one, we get 23 here at Du Bois. I'm coming up 97.
14 of those.
Jupiter Charlie 12 is info.
That's 10-4.
26 Fletcher.
14 of 3.
Jupiter 311 to 219.
Jupiter 311, who are you calling?
27, I'm pulling up on now. 219.
14 of 4. Jupiter Bravo 41. North Palm is asking if you need a boat.
23, 10 on your last.
North Palm Beach is asking if you need a boat to respond.
1054.
1405.
Bravo 41. We have, if we need a boat, we have someone who can go back on. I just came off 311 too.
1405.
Motor 4 of 97 in the park.
1405.
Jupiter Bravo 41, not 48. You already 95 the subject?
Yes, sir, he's showing valid. 1406.
Bravo 41, do we have
A vehicle on file for him.
23-1.
Motor 4 to 311. Were you able to fly him?
I'm looking now.
Alright, you're in the inlet park?
Du Bois.
Alright, because I thought they said he was over here at the inlet.
Yeah, 10-4. I'm just going to start here and work my way over.
Alright, 10-4. I'm trying to look out on the jetty without getting out, you know?
Unit 13 reference. Our subject's going to be on the west side of the Jupiter Du Bois Park, close to where the docks are.
Denver, thank you.
48.
Hey, Bill, I'm coming up right behind you. Where'd you say he was again?
You just walk to the west side, continue west, and you'll see him.
Keep it Bravo 41. He does have 2 vehicles registered in. Do you still need them?
10-4. Be advised.
Hey, I'm entering, motor 4 to 311. I'm entering Du Bois now. I'll look for that gray 5-door Honda. There's a Honda, correct, Jupiter?
Yes, 10-4.
Super Bravo 31.
Keep it Bravo 31.
We have eyes on him in the armor. He has a white t-shirt and his really khaki short. And he is fishing with a rifle in front of him.
Rifle is where?
Just 14, he's heading westbound towards the end of the docks.
26. Keep it Bravo 31. Where's the rifle?
It's on his front.
10-4 located on his front.
He's changed his location. He's over towards the Du Bois docks now. I don't have a visual. He's behind like a shrub.
Signal 14, I don't have that Honda or that mini scooter in the parking lot.
10-20. 14-16. Keep it Bravo 23. 10-4 check. Twist Bravo 10. 10-4 check.
10-4, thank you.
Twist Bravo 2. 10-4 check.
10-4.
14-18.
All right, he's moving back over to the jetty side.
We're moving back to jetty side. 14-20.
All right, he's heading back towards you, Cap. You see him?
10-4.
Jupiter Beach to signal 14. There's also multiple males on bikes that appear to be filming when I drove in the park as well.
14-22.
Unit 1355. Jupiter Bravo 20.
Jupiter Bravo 20.
10-4. There's nothing 79. He's obviously trying to bait somebody into something, so it's up to you, but I suggest we clear.
All units go tonight.
If all units you can go 10-8 at 14-23 hours. Keep it Bravo 22. 10-4 check.
10-4.
14-25.
10-4.
14-27.
Unit 13, can you 65 at 28?
Go ahead.
SAM 040, Alima, O Ocean, Y Yankee, A Alpha, K Kilo. 10-4. It's parked on the inlet side.
26.
Over, thank you.
14-29.